Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So I'm finally taking down my crochet hairstyle. I've had it in for 6 weeks. I've been dreading taking it down, but you already know, gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna take it down. I've been wearing it up in a high puff for the past couple weeks. And I'm going to also separate the front, which is my leave out area. Make sure to keep that separate so I don't cut it. So I'm going to put on gloves because my nails are kind of split at the ends and like kind of catches in the hair, and we all know that's painful. So I'm just going to put the gloves on and I'm going to go section by section. Then I'm going to put the rest up and out of the way. This is what the back is looking like at the moment. Alright, so we're going to go in with hair cutting scissors and just snip away as close to the root as you can get it. The takedown part is pretty easy. It just comes right out. You just pull it and it comes right out of the braid. But yeah guys, I love crochet hairstyles. It's actually my first time getting it done and it's so simple. It lasts a long time. And I'm definitely going to get it again sometime soon, maybe for the rest of the winter, but it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, now I'm just doing the other side, cut it down. So I'm just gonna show you guys up close. See how easy it is to take out. You just unravel it, boom, it comes out super easy. It literally takes no more than 2 seconds. Alright, that part is all done. Now we're going to take it out and do the rest of the hair. So we're just going to section it off and cut it as close to the scalp as you feel comfortable with, and then just pull out the remaining pieces of hair. So overall, it only took me about 10 to 15 minutes just to take out the crochet hair part, and then it took another additional 15 minutes to take out my braids. So to remove the braids, I'm just going to use a broken rat tail comb. I know. Ooh, child, the ghetto. Okay, so we only have one braid left to go. Yay! Okay, yay, all done. Finally finished taking out all my braids. Yes, the fro is back, B. Alright guys, bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content.